So today we will plot. Today we will plot first of all IL for this reaction RB, and at any point, let this point is C, L/2 distance. We will plot IL for RB के लिए and then IL for bending moment at C के लिए. We will solve this question. Question 1. Next question, we will plot for continuous beam A, B, C, then it may have value of RA, RB, RC. So we will plot IL for number 1 RA, RB. Similar work will be for RC, then we will not plot. We can plot any point D, choose any point D. So at point MD and shear force at point D. So these four type of plot we will do for this question, and we will plot for RB and MC. You can also plot IL for RA, no problem. You can also plot. So first question is, I am taking this first question. So in this question, I am taking this beam, value of EI I am taking value of EI constant throughout the length. Is length I am here taking it as 10 meter. Here I am taking the length as 10 meter. I am taking the value of the length because to match the answer. So it will be RB and C point. The C point. So here it will have the bending moment. And the direction of the bending moment will be which one? This. At point B, at point C, it will have MC. What will be the value of RB and what will be the value of MC? What will be the value of RB and what will be the value of MC? For RB, according to Müller-Brüssow law, first step is remove this, okay, remove this restraint, and second, provide unit displacement. Provide unit displacement. And whatever is the deflected shape, that will be the IL. So after removing this, we will get this cantilever beam. And if we need unit displacement, means value 1, unit displacement, then we must need to apply certain value of force. What amount to be placed at this point? What amount we have to place to provide this unit displacement? This is the question. This is the problem. We do not know the required value of the force which will cause that unit displacement. We do not know. मालूम है क्या? If the value of L is 10 meter, if value of L it is 8 meter, then for both cases required value of this point load to have unit displacement will be different. It will not be same. It will depend upon many parameters. It will also depend upon the value of EI. Clear to everybody? So to give the unit displacement, Müller-Breslau principle बस इतना ही है. This is the Müller-Breslau principle. But how we will achieve unit displacement? How we will achieve this unit displacement? How you will achieve that displacement? And what will be the required value of the force? So for this, what we are doing, we are just applying here unit load here. We apply here as a unit load, means RB equals to 1. Whatever is the value, what will be the value? What will be that value? We do not know. But here we will apply 1. For example, by applying this load, if that displacement is 5.21 mm, suppose it is 5.21, कुछ तो होगा ना? Suppose it is 5.21 for 1. Clear to everybody? Therefore, what it means? If we need only 1 unit of displacement, what should be that value? 1 divided by 5.1. Clear to everybody? If the displacement is of 0.5, if displacement is, by applying unit load at this point, our displacement is 0.5. What it means? To provide unit displacement at that point, we must have to apply double times of load. Get to everybody? We must apply double times of load. So, करते क्या हम लोग? We have unit load has been applied here. and displacement has been calculated, and it is suppose it is del BB. If it is del BB, this suppose it is del BB. Clear? And due to that displacement, definitely it will have its deflected shape will have this value, and it will be curve. It will be curve of order किस पे डिपेंड करे? ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 होगा नहीं? ऑफ ऑर्डर n इज इक्वल टू 3 or 2 of order n. I am not saying what is that value. It will be order of n. Okay, I am also not very much sure. For simply supported having UDL, it is WL to power 4 divided by EI with multiple of some constant. So L to power 4 means it will be shape will be of order n equals to 4. For that case, I think it will be of order 2. What is that? I am not bothering about this. But it will have the deflected shape. This is the deflected shape, and value of ordinate can be calculated. At any ordinate can be calculated. So these ordinates, what are these ordinates? What are those ordinates? क्या है? These ordinates are responsible. These ordinates are produced. These ordinates that can be understood by two ways. These ordinates are produced by applying this much of displacement. By applying that much of displacement. है कि नहीं? Is it not? डेल्टा एक्स कहां से आया? This displacement किसी भी पॉइंट from where it has been originated? It has been originated only due to provision of that displacement. And why this displacement has been provided? Because of that load. Because of that load. We had applied that load. Therefore, that deflection has been provided, and due to that deflection, definitely throughout its length, some deflection will be there. Some deflection will be there. Clear to everybody? And since we know every structure follows the superposition, therefore, if that value is multiplied by any constant, if that value load RB is multiplied by any constant, then that all displacement will multiply by the same constant. Let everybody, if that value is multiplied by say it is multiplied by some parameter like A, some constant like A, then this will also be multiplied by del BB multiplied by A small a, it will be also multiplied by del X multiplied by A, it will be multiplied by del X into A. Clear to everybody? Clear to everybody? According to Mueller-Woods principle, what is the needed displacement here? It is kitna? It is 1. Needed displacement is 1. After providing unit displacement, when it will be 1? कब होगा ये 1? ना, it is a deflected shape. Okay, if we are finding if we want to have that value 1, We want to plot IL for RB and for RB, since that value should be unit. That value should be unit. That everybody. Therefore, but if the value is 1, then it is del BB. Then it is del BB. Since we want only 1, if it is 1, then this ordinate have to be divided by kitna? That ordinate must be del x divided by del BB. Clear to everybody? This one ordinate, that ordinate will be del x divided by del BB. Same parameter, same cost, same value. Suppose it is del x, it is suppose del dash x, तो different होगी नहीं? It will have different value. Del dash x. And by joining these two, we will get the deflected set. And now it will be called as IL. Now it will be called as IL. Clear to everybody? So what will be the ordinate of IL? This one. That's clear to everybody? So value of RB is ordinate of IL at any section X, कोई भी at any section, यहाँ से ले लो, at any section X, that will be only del x by del. Clear to everybody? So this will be the value of this one. Clear to everybody? There should not be any doubt. So this is the ordinate of IL for किसके लिए? For so the value of RB here क्या लिख सकते हैं? Value of RB equals to del x by, ये लिखा ही हुआ यहाँ पे. IL क्या है? What is IL? It is RB. So RB equals to del x by del B. That has been explained in last class. Using force method also, consistent deformation method also. Clear to everybody? So what will be our calculation step? क्या होगा calculation step? We will concentrate on that figure. That structure. And what is that structure? It is determinate. It is released structure. What is this? What is that structure? It is the released structure having point load, having unit load at the point where IL is to be plotted. We have to concentrate on that beam and we will calculate deflection. Okay. What is del BB? Del BB is the deflection under the load. Del x is the deflection at any distance x. यही तो है ना? Is it not? Del x is the deflection at any distance x, but del BB is the deflection under the load. This is the meaning. Since we need only unit displacement, that's why to have the IL, every ordinate must be divided with that value. Every ordinate must be divided with that value. Clear? So, come to the question. Now we are doing for IL for RB. We are doing the work for RB, IL for RB. So, this is the released beam, and point load will be applied here. Due to this point load, it will have the deflection. It is del BB, and let at any distance x, if this is delta x, then value of RB is del x by del BB. That has been explained here. How we can calculate that del x? How we can calculate that? अच्छा, इसमें बताएं. If we have calculated delta x, है ना? What is the relation between these two? Del BB equals to, if I am writing this del x at x equals to 0, is it clear? Is it the same thing? Del x is what? Del x at point x is equal to 0 for this case. Is it? Del BB. It is del BB. Deflection ही तो है. All del x and del BB both are the displacement due to this unit load, है ना? चाहे तो यहाँ पे लिख लें del x and del BB both are displacement due to unit load at point B. Okay, so how we can calculate delta x? So now our objective is only to calculate only which one? Our objective is only to calculate this one. Because if we are able to calculate this one, then that can be calculated very easily. So we have only one objective, and that objective is to calculate the value of delta x, and we have that cantilever beam. Cantilever है ना? Point load is at the end. Point load it can be upward, it can be downward, no problem. Okay. So how we will calculate that delta x? We can calculate that value of delta x by many methods. We can calculate that delta x using either conjugate beam method, either Macaulay's method, either energy method, or many methods we have. But out of those methods, in strength of material, you might be aware, if you need a general expression, means if you need the deflection more than one point, if you need the displacement more than 1 point, then you should follow Macaulay's method. So using Macaulay method, we will calculate that value of delta x. So using Macaulay's method, Using Macaulay's method, we will calculate. And using Macaulay method, we know that EI into d2y by dx square, that value equals to what? Mx. That value is Mx. We know very well from strength of material. Okay. This is simple mathematics. And in that mathematics, what is value of x and y? This is y for here. And value of x is what? This. Equal. This is y and this is x. Okay. We are taking origin at point B. B point has been taken as origin. B point has been taken as origin. This point. B point. This one. B point. As mentioned here. And what is the value of mx? What is that value? Moment at that point. What will be the moment at that point? It will be simply force multiplied by distance. Kitna? 1 into x. So it is 1 into x. Plus or minus? Why it is plus? If we are taking this sign convention. If we are taking this sign convention. So it is this one segment. Okay? Anti-clockwise direction, it will be plus. Use that convention. This is positive sign convention. You can take also its reverse also, but I am following this one. Okay, it is 1x. And now by integrating, you can have value of EI into dy by dx equals to how much value? X square by 2. Okay. And one more factor will be added. That will be C. That will be integration constant, you know very well. Again, if you integrate further, then you will get value of EI into y. That will be x cube by 6 plus c into x plus one more constant. So I am not writing d, I am writing it as c1. So it is c1 and c2. Get everybody? Get everybody? So what is the value of y? What is the value of y? है ना? Value of y. Y क्या है? Y is del x. यही तो है. It is what? It is y. Okay? And we have the expression in terms of x. But we have also value of c1 and c2. If anyhow we are able to find the value of c1 and c2, if by anyhow if we have the value of c1 and c2, then that function can be known in terms of x only. And after knowing that, by putting the value of x at 0, we will have y equals to this one at x is equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4 at n. Get everybody? And how this constant can be calculated? This constant can be calculated using boundary conditions. Using boundary conditions. What are the boundary conditions? Look here. At point x is equal to L, y equals to 0. You know very well. We need two boundary conditions. One is this, another is x is equal to 0, y equals to this is
y equal to this, and this is unknown. So you cannot take that boundary condition. You cannot take that boundary condition. Of course, x is equal to 0 you have, but what is that value? It is not known, na? It is unknown. कहाँ अभी तो बाद में इधर अप्लाई होगा आफ्टर डिवीजन. What will be the another boundary condition? Boundary conditions. First is okay. At x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. Value of y equals to 0. Okay. But x is equal to L. Yes, you are right. X is equal to 0. Yeah, it is not known, na? So it will not be useful. We need those boundary conditions which is useful to calculate the value of C1 and C2. We need useful type of boundary condition. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? No, I am talking for boundary condition. Do you have any idea? किसको बेटा? नहीं वो कंडीशन नहीं है, इसके अलावा और भी हो सकती है. देखो इसको, look this beam. Look this beam and look at point A. Look at point A here. Look at point A. Fixed support. Look the fixed support. You will get another boundary condition. Look this fixed support. You will get another boundary condition. Yes. Slope at that point will be 0. Slope at that point will be 0 because it is the fixed. Therefore, at x is equal to L, value of dy by dx will be 0. Get it, everybody? We need two equations. It doesn't mean that we need only boundary condition in terms of x and y only. We can also have boundary condition in terms of x and dy by dx, no problem. Get it, everybody? So at x is equal to another boundary condition, at x is equal to L, we have value of dy by dx equals to 0 because it is the fixed. So यहाँ पे बना भी है, देखिए यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, इसलिए मैं कहा look this point, this fixed support. Get it, everybody? Agreed? Now it is very simple to find the value of C1 and C2. It is very simple. So if using this, है ना, put the using this you can calculate the value of C1. Using this you can calculate the value of C1 by putting value of x is equal to L and dy by dx equal to 0. What will be the value of C1? Minus L square by 2. So the value of C1 comes to be minus L square by, this is the value of C1. This is the value of C1. And now put the value of x is equal to L, y equals to 0 and value of C1, then you will get the value of C2. Tell me that value. C2 equals to, value बताओ मुझे. L cube by 3. L cube by 3. अच्छा L के टर्म्स में है क्या? 10 है, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. एट L इज इक्वल टू 10 ले लो. L इज इक्वल टू 10. यहाँ एट L इज इक्वल टू 10, नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज दैट वैल्यू? माइनस -15 and this is नीचे वाला नीचे वाले माइनस ओके नो Do not put L is value of L. Okay. So put this value here. Put this value here. We will have EI into Y equals to, we have Y equals to 1 by EI times of, from this expression, after putting the value of C1 and C2, I have value of C2 पहले लिखें. Value of C2 it is L cube by 3. Then write this one expression x C1x means minus L square by 2 into x. Then write that plus x cube by x cube, not this one, na, x cube by 6. I have this. And what is that y? Y is del x. Y is del x. Clear to everybody? That was the objective. That was the objective, and that objective has been calculated, has been resolved. That objective has been resolved. That objective has been achieved. Clear to everybody? So you can find that value also, value of RB here, you can find that value. Now you have two options. Find out this. You cannot, you can make, after having this value, okay, there are two options. Either find out the ordinate. This is what RB is what, this is the ordinate of IL. तो यहाँ पे लिखें, नीचे लिखें ordinate of, therefore ordinate of IL for RB, ordinate of IL for RB, it is del x by del BB, and value of del BB equals to del x at x is equal to 0. बताओ, put the value of x equal to 0 here. L cube by 3i, और होता भी है. If point load is here, then what will be that value? L cube by 3i, है ना, WL cube by 3i. If it is WL cube by 3i, okay. But we need that, na, del x. That's why that expression is not being used. Okay. Now ordinate of IL कितना हो गया? Therefore ordinate, value of ordinate, it is ये है ना, del x by del BB. Then ordinate value is del BB is this ना, नीचे L cube by 3EI is this one. बाकी this one इसको लिखा जाए 1 by EI times of L cube by 3 minus L square by 2x plus x cube by 6. EI will be cancelled out. EI will be cancelled out. Therefore L cube को भी उधर ले जाओ. L cube आप ऐसा करें, this one cancelled out, and 3 by 6 ऐसा करें. So it will be L cube means 1 minus L square by L cube into x plus 6 ना, then it will be 2, it will be 3 plus x cube by L cube. Is it correct? Take it. Correct na? So I have 1 by 2 times half 2 minus x by L 3x by L plus x by L cube. I have this. Okay. Now what will be the ordinate? Therefore, make the table at value of x and ordinate of IL for RB. At different interval, at 0, at 2 meter, 4 meter, 6 meter, 8 meter and 10 meter. Calculate that ordinate. Okay. Why I have taken interval of 2 meter? Why I have taken interval of 2 meter? In exam, that interval can be mentioned, that cannot be mentioned. Okay, that can be mentioned, that may not be. If it is mentioned, then you have to find the ordinate at that interval. If it is not, then choose any interval. If interval is not given, then you have the freedom. So at x is equal to 0, what is that? होना भी चाहिए क्या? होना भी चाहिए. Clear? At x equal to 2, what is that? x equal to 2, 4, सभी निकाल के बताएं. So the values are at x is equal to 2, 0.704, at x is equal to 4, 432, it will be 0, definitely, it should be 0. Clear? Now you can plot IL. So I am plotting the IL here. One is this. This ordinate is .704. This is .432. This is .208. This is the IL for. This is the IL for RB. Clear? Clear to everybody? Now this is not a straight line. This is not straight line नहीं है. It is of curve shape. If in place of fixed, if in place of fixed it is in, then it will be determinate and the ordinate will be straight. Ordinate will be straight. And Mueller principle in itself is able to give that plot. But for indeterminate, Mueller-Bruce law in itself is insufficient. Okay, but their concept has been used. Clear? This one. This is A, B, C. Say it is a 4 meter. It is 4 meter also. And now plot IL can be plotted. Plot IL for RA, RB, RC at any point. If this point is D, so MD shear force at point D can also be 2 meter. Today I will plot this only IL for RB because the procedure is known to you. You can apply that. So I am going to make calculation for IL of RB. So IL for RB. IL for RB. First step, remove the RB. Okay, remove the RB from here. So after removing, we will get simple supported beam. After removing this, we will get simple supported beam. Okay, if I remove this RB as 0, if RB is 0, what it means? There is no any support, and we have to apply unit rotation, unit displacement here. So for that, we must apply certain value of load. So suppose for unit load, its value is delta BB. Its value is del BB, and for that corresponding deflection, ordinate is del x at certain distance x. Clear? Then ordinate will be ordinate of IL for RB will be how much? Del x divided by del BB. Get you everybody? So we have to calculate. And what is the value of del BB? It is del x at x is equals to, let me make another diagram. This point is A, this point is C. If the load is here 1, now नीचे से this one load, okay. So what will be, क्या मैं कह रहा हूं, yes, what will be that, what will be the reactions? It will be, since 4 4, half of, okay, if origin has been taken this, that has been taken as origin, that has been taken as origin, then value of delta x, yeah, del bb, it will be at x is equal to 4 meter, x is equal to 4 meter. दो मैं क्यों लूं, मैं यहां से लूं ना, ऐसे, ओके, दो ओरिजिन क्यों लेने, फायदा नहीं, नो नीड टू मेक. सो अप्लाई Macaulay's method to find the value of delta x. Apply Macaulay's method to find the value of delta x. So ei d2y by dx2 equals to value of mx. Value of mx. Now this question will have two segment, this one segment and this one segment. Get everybody? It has two segments, this one segment and this one segment. So value of mx will be written as 1 by 2 into x, this one part, okay, minus का minus 1 by 2x, clear, फिर plus here this one point section, if this section is x, so it will be 1 into this one distance, कितना होगा ये, x minus 4, clear. How it is written, you have to consider two different points, who has the same origin, and this is far segment, this one segment, this point is far, this one segment, moment at that point, that value will also be taken as x, so moment at this point for this one segment, AB segment, this is 1 into x, for this it is, that part will also be considered, plus 1 into this one, and that will be separated by dotted line. It will be separated by dotted line. This is the Macaulay's method. Method. In previous question, only one segment was there, therefore that separation was not there. In previous question, only cantilever type of beam was there, that's why that separation was not there. Okay. So I will not go in much detail about its reason. The procedure is this. Now integrate this ei dy by dx. How much will be that value? Minus x square by 4 plus x minus 4 square by 2. That line. Again integrate ey into y, it is minus x cube by 12, okay, and this one value dotted plus x minus 4 cube by, how much is this, 3 6 plus c1 here plus c1x plus c2, clear? Is it correct? And this one c1x plus c2, let me correct, Do not write C1 here. Write C1 here. Okay. So it will be C1x okay. This is correct now. Now this is x square by 4. उससे भी पहले राइट इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट C1, राइट इंटीग्रेशन कांस्टेंट C1 प्लस देन इंटीग्रेट ये माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 4 प्लस एक्स माइनस 4 स्क्वायर बाई 2. मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूं व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. एक्स स्क्वायर बाई अच्छा अच्छा एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 माइनस ओके. अगेन इंटीग्रेट ई आई वाई ई आई अगेन इंटीग्रेट. So it is C1x plus C2 minus x cube by 12 plus x cube by 6 minus 4x square by 2. Okay. Now what are the boundary? Apply the boundary conditions. So conditions. What are those conditions? Number one, at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, value of y is, at x is equal to 0, come here, value of y is 0, okay, at x is equal to, this one, 8, means at point C, it is 0, so, another condition x is equal to 0, x is equal to 8, both comes to be 0. So tell me the value of C1 and C2. If you will use this, then 0. Value of C2 is 0. Okay, let me check. This one 0. Yes, it is 0. And this one C1 value of C2 C1 how much is that value? How much is that? 10.67. Okay. They are the correct value. So that is known to you. C1 C2 is known to you, and value of now this, now find del BB, it is y at कितने पे? x is equal to 4 पे. Tell me that value. 1 by EI times of. Okay, but listen here. Put x is equal to 4. कहाँ तक? Only this one part. Get everybody? Only this one segment will be taken. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा यहां तक बढ़ जाए. So the value of this one will be 1 by EI times of. This is the Macaulay's method. This is the Macaulay method. Okay, this is the method. This is the procedure of given by Macaulay. I will not discuss in detail. Okay. If you have the problem, then come to me. I will help. So this value EI, 1 by EI, value of C1. C1 is 10.67 x plus C2 is 0 minus x cube by 12 at x is equal to 4. By putting this, so this value is 37.34 divided by EI. 37.34 divided by EI. Okay, this is the value of del BB. Del BB. Therefore, ordinate of IL of किसका? IL for RB. This is del X. This one by this. So it is 37.34 EI multiplied by 1 by EI into this complete thing. Clear? So it is C1x means 10.67 x minus x cube by 12 plus this one segment x cube by 6 minus 4x 2x square. Clear? EI will be cancelled out. Okay. Now you can make the table. To find what? Ordinates. To find the ordinate. And ordinate will represent ordinate will be calculated at some particular interval. Therefore, take that interval. Okay. So it is 4 meter. So 2 1 1. Take the interval of 1 meter. And it is required to find this one ordinate, this one ordinate. Ye ordinate. Out of this, that ordinate is known to me. What is that value? That value will be 1. It is known to me. This 6 ordinate you have to calculate from that expression. Okay. So make the table at x is equal x and ordinate. x0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. ऑर्डिनेट्स बताएं मुझे. टेल मी द ऑर्डिनेट वैल्यू. एक्स इक्वल टू ये वाला पहला तो 0 ही होगा. ओके. This one is 0 and this one is 0. That I know. and at x is equal to 4 पे, this one I know. Remaining thing you have to tell me. सारा कैलकुलेट कर लो, कैलकुलेट ऑल ऑफ देम, कैलकुलेट ऑल ऑफ देम. Calculate all of them. Calculate all of them. तुम्हारा क्या नाम बेटा? So tell me the calculated values at 1, 0.2, 0.34 कर लो, 0.37, 0.37, 434, 5. ये 1, it is correct? 0.37, 0.368, 0.268, 0.141. These values are calculated. Listen. Listen. These value will be calculated for 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Only this one part will be used. Only this one part will not be used. This one part will not be used. Only this one expression will be applicable. Only this one applicable. पूरा कर डाला क्या? Now it is wrong. To calculate the value of, ये it's okay, no problem. Okay, these values for calculation of this value, only this segment will be used. Why? It is for, okay. So these are wrong. So tell me the modified values. Tell me the modified value. No problem. कितना? 0.283. This one कैलकुलेट कर लें, बताएं. .283 is first one, second one, and third one. 0.55, 553, and 0.797. Okay. So these are the wrong and these are correct. Okay. So this is the procedure how you can calculate the value of ordinate of IL for indeterminate type of beam. For indeterminate type of beam. It's very simple, not difficult. What you have to do, you have to apply the unit load, find out the deflection under that point, and simply apply Macaulay's method, divide this. It's very simple. Okay, thank you for today.